Well, welcome back, guys. This is my first video of this channel, which is As Your Trader. And also, I just want to say, thank you. I had a few subscribers with my last weekly charts that I will be doing. And also, I have started my ICT journey uh, it was August 2022, which the mentorship came out. I saw a lot of videos going around and everyone was talking about ICT, ICT this, ICT that. And I thought, I saw a couple of YouTubers talking about ICT. So I thought, what is this? I know I had a strategy which I was using, order blocks. And someone said he actually invented order blocks, so I thought, okay, let's give it a try. So I watched the first video. I'll be honest with you, it was really boring, but then I got used to it. So the more I watched it, the more I fell in love with the series. So the ICT 2022 mentorship, I would do the market makers and the rest of the series a bit later on. But yeah, so I'm going with the journey of ICT, how it started. So my trading journey started before lockdown. I think it was a couple of years ago, maybe. One of my friends, basically, I was playing tennis with him and he used to just bring up about forex, and I thought, oh, it's a scam. I don't want to know. I'm not really interested. But yeah, so and I thought you have to do some university course. I don't know. I did not have a clue about forex. So he started learning, and then he bought this book called Cooling How to Trade Forex from Amazon, which was about £18. I'm not quite sure how much it is in US dollars. And yeah, so he started doing demo accounts, and then he went real, and then he was making money here, there. I thought, well, okay. He goes, no, it's not. I go, it's a scam. He goes, no, it's not, mate. You don't have a clue about it. So and he would just give me a lot of quotes from books that he would read about trading and everything else. So from there, I started to go demo. And obviously, when you're demo, you're just a bit of a gambler. You don't have a clue. So you go from the first stage, candlestick patterns, to market structure. Then I was a retail trader. Then it wasn't working for me. Then I would just basically enter pretty much of anything. It was a demo account anyway. But then in 21, I actually put some money in, and then I would go down, and then I would go up, and then I would go down, and and then from there, ICT came along, and then from I think in 2022, that's when he released it. So I came after about 9 months until the series was released. And then, yeah, as soon as I was watching it, I started to see some positive results. A lot of hard work, I would say. Yeah, sometimes I would just come back from work and I would just come home in the evening and, just study. The most of it, I would make it. And then, so I got, I bought this from Wilkerson, ICT Mentorship, Never Give Up. So, make things happen. So every time I look at this book, I would just go through it. And then, yeah, so I started to write a bit of notes in there. I'll film it afterwards and you can see it. And then, yeah, so I started studying it and started watching video after video. There's a lot of content about ICT out there. So you just have to find the right one which suits you. But I just went straight to the source, ICT. And then, my journey started from here. So I'm actually from the UK and being from Bristol, so not far from London, so probably about 110 miles. And yeah, so pretty much that was my journey. It comes with trading, it comes fitness and everything else. So I'm currently reading a book, The Best Loser Wins, by Tom Hoggard, I think it is. Yeah, I think it is. I might be wrong, but I put the description down. And then I'm starting to read a lot of books So also I bought, regarding the ICT book, it was, I was in the Seychelles on holiday, and I follow this lady called Lumi Traders, and it's this book here. So with this book, I normally follow her Twitter page a lot, and the diagrams and everything she puts down is just incredible. So with that, and she said she was going to release a book. It's coming out, probably it was last year. So I saw it came out, but obviously I was away, and then when I came back from the Seychelles on holiday, and then yeah, so I bought the book. It was about at that time it was £20. Then it went up to £30. I go, oh, I thought it might go down, so I was waiting for it. But now apparently it is about £40 or 35. I might be wrong, but you could check on Amazon. But with this book, it's got everything in there. Pretty much what I have written in my notes and my diary. There's a lot of information in that book there, so it is quite thick if you look at it. It's going through, what is it? It is, yeah, over 400 pages long. 400 pages long. So yeah, just look at the diagrams in there. It's all colourful, and everything pretty much is yeah, what you need to know and everything. You know, I think it is up to episode. Let's have a look at it. Michael J. Huddleston, so Inner Circle Trader. Chapter 33. I think she's got it up to about chapter 33, which I think pretty much you need to know. Yes, so up to there, but you could, you know, carry on learning and go through your notes. So I'm on chapter 19 at the moment. This book, I am studying it, you know, really, I'm into it, and I'm given not 100%, 110%. And yeah, so I will probably make vlogs, and also, you know, I will later on down the line, yeah, start to share my journey of my ICT. But in the meantime, this is my first video, so you can have a look at the trade I did take yesterday, USD CAD, 2 lots. So it was like a break of structure, and then it went to the order block, rejected, and then formed a fair value gap. This is my trade that I did take around yesterday. I have posted it on my Telegram, so you can have a look at it. I'll put the link below. And this is probably the trade I saw. I was outside when I saw this trade. It was a minute 30, but you can backtest this. So obviously I draw my break of structure, and this is the Asian session. So I got it marked up, so you can use this indicator. It is Asian sessions. This one here. I can't remember what the name is, but yeah, this is the one. Obviously, the top is just this. You know, my patience, discipline, no couch, no entry, and yeah. So pretty much I saw equal lows, put highs on there, but so break of structure. So I broke that last low, equal highs, rejected. This is price of interest order block on the order block here. Nice rejection there, candlestick pattern. So pretty much it went up, and then I saw a fair value gap form, and that's on a minute 30. So between, look, 10 a.m. look, right on dot. Break of structure, so that's wicked it out. That was pretty much, you know, it was like this, where I got this marker here, and then this low, that was broken. So if you see those broken and then it comes back up, pretty much gonna be in this range. And then yeah, from there I just taken this trade. So I went up to about, I think it was about here. Yeah, about here. So I was out the trade. I didn't hold it. So normally I wanted to hold it up here, but you know, with news and all that stuff, I'm not great at that. So pretty much I just taken, normally I take from the last low, like probably about here. But yeah, I just holded it about here. There's one trade, and the second one was probably a little bit, couple of pips more. And yeah, so that's it really. So these are the pairs I do trade, and more, you know, trades to come. So I was looking at this, but obviously it's breaking below. Okay, that's going down. It's probably news. Yep. So this looks quite interesting. Okay, H1. But yeah, so I'm not really taking any trades today, and just thought I'd make a video and just take it easy. So I had 2 lots on this, and that's it really. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your lovely comments behind. So this is my first video. At this stage, I will just share about ICT and other content as well, so all the blogs. And as soon as I start to improve, I will post, you know, my charts on there, so you can have a look and, you know, go from there.